Yes, good morning. So today, Wednesday, we will do, I will do paralegal work for lawyers and judges. As now, what we are going to uh, do as paralegal in paralegal work is insurance. So as you all know, the southern part of island of Mindanao was devastated and uh, onslaught by 7.8 uh, magnitude intensive. Uh, so you who are watching this uh, will be the one who seeks for paralegal help, and I will be the one who is assigned to get the facts of your case, and I will give it to a lawyer that is Lodi, then or lawyer of the day in charge, and that lawyer will give it to will give the proper lawyer that can handle your case to process it in court. So insurance. So in terms of insurance, it is under commercial law. So in commercial law, the important thing is insurable interest. So for example, if it is a building, you must be the insurable interest. So for juridical entities, like for example, uh, Jollibee, it's a juridical entity. So the insurable interest there will be the stockholders and the board of officers. So then, if it is a person, then the insurable interest will be the parents or the heirs of those who are insured. So we all know that insurance contract is a contract of an unknown event. So for example, you are a insurance provider. For example, here in Coronadal, we have insular uh, Sun Life, Sun Life insurance. So even though the uh, the don't expect the earthquake will uh, come out here in South Cotabato or southern part of Mindanao, it is still uh, flammable because it's an unknown event. So no one can say that it will happen. So since it happened, the earthquake, then that can be under insurance contract. So in payment of premium, you must be uh, at least a good payer of the premium. So for the so that you can claim your insurance. So for the vehicles that was uh, hammered by the buildings, then it's still under insurance because it's a force majeure. It is the act of God. Then uh, no one can no one can comprehend it. So next, if the in insurance, for example, the fortuitous event, the example, the wedding ring was not delivered to your house because there was an earthquake last Monday. But supposedly, it must be delivered on Sunday, Saturday, or Friday. Now, since your wedding day is uh, today, Wednesday, then the wedding ring has not yet arrived. Then uh, the the person who is in charge to deliver the wedding ring, even though he or she will say that the wedding ring was not delivered because there was an earthquake last Monday and all of the ETPs on Tuesday were closed. Then the that person who is tasked to deliver the wedding ring is liable under the Civil Code of the Philippines. So that's it. Uh, Thank you for watching for the insurance and God bless you all. Goodbye.